Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create vertical border in Google Sheets. So let's started. At first, open your Google Sheets document file. Firstly, then show the Google Sheets file from the create vertical border. Now, then you can see, then select from the any position is the area. Now going to the menu option, then create vertical border. Now click for the border option. Now click for the vertical border menu option. Now for click, that's it. Then show the create vertical border in Google Sheets. Then again select from the any position. Now click for the border option. Now click for the vertical border option. That's it. Then show the create vertical border in Google Sheet document. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.